What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to change the gear shift linkage for your Harley-Davidson Softail. Okay, so what I have now is this, but I'm changing that to this. The part number is 33760009, slotted gear shift linkage. Now you can always adjust the length of the linkage like that. Okay, so let's do a nice snug fit. Thread locker would be ideal, but I don't have for a moment, so I'll probably do that tomorrow before going for a ride. Just like that. Okay, so first the bolt goes right in there, and the cover go like that, and we can rotate that, and you can see inside. And inside of the cover you can set that washer in there just like that, okay, and then rotate that, and you can have that go right there. That's it. And then adjust the length, tighten these up, and then you're ready for a ride. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.